We've got Bruce's 535 X Drive here, getting a set of H&R lowering springs on it. Got the front shocks, or actually strut assemblies out. Getting ready to work on the rears, depending on how tough it is to get into the top side of the strut there to get them loose. On the bottom side is just one bolt. Getting ready to dig in and see how hard that'll be, but we're about 2 hours into it. The fronts are off. Get ready to pull the rears, put the shocks on it, and it's on a set of sick Vossen wheels. Just got them for it, trying to get it, have that little bit better stance. If you know the 3 Series there, the E90, it's also his car. Don't mind the mess on the workbench, but that's the front strut assemblies. Set of coil spring compressors there. Shouldn't have to use them to put the new springs back on, but we'll see. I'm definitely curious to see how this thing's going to turn out. It'll all look pretty sick. I'll have to put in a picture of before and get a little bit of video after how it sits. So. There's the difference between the H&R and the stock front coil spring. Quite a difference.